Stop wasting time searching through your iPhone settings. This shortcut takes you straight to the settings page of whatever app you're using with just one tap. Whether it's location access, photos, microphone, notifications, or anything else, you can change it instantly without digging through settings. And honestly, every iPhone and iPad user should have this. Watch this. Right now, I'm inside YouTube. Normally, if I wanted to change something like location access or photo permissions, I would have to leave the app, open settings, scroll down, find YouTube, and then make my changes. But with this shortcut, I simply open Control Center, tap one button, and boom, I'm instantly taken to YouTube's setting page. No searching, no scrolling, no wasting time. And the best part is that it doesn't just work with YouTube. It works with Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, Telegram, and pretty much any app that has settings on your iPhone or iPad. This is one of those simple shortcuts that saves you time every single day, and once you start using it, you will probably never go back to opening settings the old way. If you want this shortcut, leave a comment below or send me a DM on Instagram and I'll share it with you. And if you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips and hidden features, and share this with someone who's always digging through their settings. See you in the next one.